Hello out there in YouTube land.
Welcome back to our channel.
Today we thought we'd discuss some Gothic makeup brands that we are, dying to try.
Yes. And it's been a challenge this holiday season because a lot of our brands put out things very early, which is great.
But,
it is.
you know, if you're wanting something a little closer to the holiday, then it's kind of a problem.
Yeah.
So we decided we'd hunt down some things that were a little bit more unique and more connected to our kind of creepy side. So, you know, it wasn't like specifically holiday releases, so to speak,
Right.
but some new brands that we personally haven't tried.
And we want to try.
Badly.
I mean, traditionally we go with, kind of additions of glitter and, sparklies, things like that.
Yeah, and duochromes, some really cool colors.
But this year we have a new list.
Yes.
And that new list starts with a brand called Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics. And we are really dying to try some of their multi-chrome eyeshadows.
Beautiful.
Swatch, they are gorgeous. Their shade names like Death and Dream and Half Goddess, Half Hell.
Yes, and
they are beautiful.
Just shimmery and beautiful delight. Unfortunately, because we don't actually own the products, we can't show them to you. Because if we, insert our phone picture, then YouTube will, not like it. Yeah, so...
Yeah. But one thing that is near and dear to our hearts, too, with Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics is they have a liquid lipstick line that is inspired by Typo Negative. And if you know us, and you've been watching our channel, you know we really like Typo.
Yeah, so, how can you not want a lipstick that's called Sanguine Addiction?
Yes.
Oh, that hits all my, happy spots.
It does.
It
truly does.
So that's, first on our list.
That's number one.
Companies we gotta try. Number 2 is LA Splash Cosmetics. And, they have a line of makeup that is all classic horror. So they have, some liquid lipsticks, names like Mummy, that's a greige. I mean, it's just, perfect things to go together.
Yes.
And they also have, this other line called Wickedly Divine, that's if you put Jeffree Star and Elvira together and they had a love child. I mean, literally, the packaging and stuff looks, in form, very Jeffree Star, but it's all blacks and these cool colors. So
it has that element of sexy to it.
Yes.
I mean, not that Jeffree Star isn't sexy.
He is smoking. But, this makeup just is something really right up our alley.
That would be his contribution to the love child.
It totally would. Absolutely. I don't think I've ever seen another man pull off a dress and heels better than Jeffree Star.
I don't think so.
I mean, he just looks amazing.
He does, all the time.
Yeah.
In a robe.
I know!
I can't pull that off.
No, I am a train wreck in a robe.
Before makeup, nobody wants to see me.
No, definitely not.
I look like a crawdad out of the Mummy's crypt.
I probably look like a crawdad.
And that kind of... Danny's not a crawdad, I promise.
Oh, shucks.
And that leads us into our number 3, which is Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. And they have some really cool packaging. And everybody knows that, yes, the makeup has to be good. It has to swatch good. It has to wear well. But it's part of the packaging, too.
It is, because it's part of the experience. You don't want to buy... it might be the most beautiful eyeshadow you ever saw in the world, but if it's in a plain white cardboard thing, you're going to think this is a piece of crap.
Yes.
So, the packaging's very important. And while we haven't tried any of the Lunatic Cosmetics makeup yet, the packaging is just killer.
Because it's in monster form. It's monster packaging. They have coffin and heart-shaped, actual human heart-shaped eyeshadow palettes. And they've done themes that revolve around Elvira, Vampira, and also Supernatural.
So, you know, it's really geared toward the alternative and gothic community.
Right.
So, you know, that being said, comment down below if you'd be interested in us doing a Patreon, and, you know, with the type of content you'd like to see for different tiers and whatnot, because, you know, Tabby and I are not rich.
No.
So we can't afford to buy all these things to show you these wonderful earthly delights. So, you know, one of the ways that we can possibly manage to pull some of that off is to have a Patreon.
Right, and, you know, give us some ideas what you would like to see in a tier, whether you want, you know, individual looks, if you want something else.
Even if you wanted to do something like a Skype call with,
right.
like, makeup tutorial one-on-one type thing, we could pull that off. Just, you know, let us know down below some different things that you might want to see on it, or if you don't want to support us, that's fine too.
That's completely fine.
We totally understand. Everybody asks for something, especially this time of year.
Yes.
But, you know, we want to be able to provide cool makeup for you all to see when we do videos. So that's one way that we can manage to pull that off.
It is. And definitely, you know, make sure everything is that you're suggesting, please be appropriate.
Yes, we're not going to get into bizarre,
No. Just,
no. We are not, out to be a different type of ladies of the night, we'll put it that way.
No.
No.
Just no.
Plus, I'm not sure if people want to see that. It would be the most awkward, horrible thing ever. We won't do puppets either. No puppets. No. Not for that, anyway. We might, like...
I mean, we do have sock puppets. That
we could parade a dragon puppet. They might like to see a dragon puppet going...
So that is our list. You know, if you're looking for an alternative for the holidays, you know, check out some of these cosmetic brands. They aren't incredibly well known, but they have some beautiful things.
They really do, and some of them right now have some sales going on because it is the holidays, so this is the time to, like, try some new things and stock up, because I think one of them had, like, $10 off your first order or something like that.
And
so that's pretty darn good.
That is really good. So.
Well, until next time.
Bye.